Hello children. In chapter 1, linear equations in one variable, today's topic, reducing equations to simpler form. Today we will solve problems from exercise 3.5 and worked example. The first main is this: solve the following equations. Equation 1, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Now this we have to reduce into the simpler form. What does that mean? It means that finally we have to get almost in all whole number form. Okay, so now therefore, very simple, we know all basics now. X by 2, bring this plus x by 2 to the left, it becomes minus x by x upon 3, then minus 1 by 5, 1 upon 5, plus becomes what? Minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. So this is a convenient one. Even this could be simplified with left and right as it is, or shift everything to the left hand side like this. Now, since here we have fractions, we have to take LCM of what? LCM of 2, 3, 5, 4. LCM of the denominators. 2, 3, 5, 4. 2 common LCM is, how to find out LCM? Least common multiple. 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 2 threes are means no common, that's why 2 twos are. Next, no common at all. Therefore, now LCM equal to, just we multiply all this. 2 into 1 into 2 into 1 is 2, 2 threes are 6, 6 5s are 30, it comes 60. Okay, so now therefore that LCM we have to write here 60. Okay, next 60, we know fundamentally LCM into first fraction x by 2, it goes 30 times 30x. Next, what should be the sign? The sign is minus. Take LCM into second fraction. Second fraction is x by 3. 20. Therefore, minus 20x. Then we have minus here 60 into what? 1 by 5. 1 by 5. It goes 12 times. Therefore, minus 12. Then minus we have 60 LCM into 1 by 4 goes this, how many times? 15 ones are 15, put equal 0. Okay children. Now therefore this implies 30x minus 20x. Like terms, opposite sign, hence it gives 10x. Minus 12 minus 25 minus 27 equal to 0. Can you tell what is the cause? How comes 0 or equal to 0? Where this 60 has gone cross multiplication. Okay, therefore 10x minus 27 equal to 0. Hence now therefore this implies what? X equal to minus 27 becomes plus 27 and into becomes divided by. Thus the solution, the value, the root of x is what? 27 by 10. Once again, just look at children, if we have fractions like this, first we have to bring them into simpler form. How? Just shift everything to the left hand side, but it is not a compulsory one, it is not general for all the problems. Here it is convenient. Keep the right side 0, then go for simplification by taking LCM, use the rough work, take LCM, simplify, add like terms, or subtract according to the sign, then minus 27, this 60 cross multiply. Okay, thus x equal to 27 by 10. Now we shall take the second one. Here in this case, we have fractions only in the left hand side. Right side we have number 20. Now, therefore, we shall take what the LCM only in the left hand side. 2, 4, 6. What is the common factor? 2, 1s are, 2s are, 3s are. No common, then directly go for multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. What is this? This 12 is the required LCM. Hence, put division line, write that LCM. Then we shall take 1 by 1. 12 LCM into what? First fraction n by 2. 1s are 6n. Next, take 3n by 12 into second fraction 3n by 4. 4 1s are 4 3s are 9n. Next, LCM into our children into third fraction 5n by 6 1s are 2s are 2 5s are 10n. Now therefore this implies 12 into first fraction gives n by 2 gives what? 6n. Then what's the sign we have? Minus. That minus only we have to bring down. Next, 12 into second fraction 9n plus, because plus is there. 12 into third fraction 10n equal to 21. This implies. Now let us add the like terms with like signs. 6n plus 10n, 16n minus 9n equal to, or let us keep for one more step, equal to 21. This implies 16 minus 9n is what? 7n by 12 equal to 21. Therefore, this implies n equal to, now cross multiplication, 21 into 12 by 7. This one, it goes up, it comes down, that we know it. 7 1s are, 7 3s are, thus n equal to what? 36. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 36. Thus the value of unknown n is 36. In this case, what we have done? First we have to reduce into simpler form, and then as usual just solve them, children. This implies n equal to 36. Now we shall take the third. So here we have single fraction, numerator by denominator, numerator by denominator. Therefore, in such cases, children, we can do cross multiplication directly. Hence, this becomes 5 into x minus 5 equal to 3 into x minus 3. Therefore, this implies 5x minus 25 equal to 3x minus 9. This implies 5x. We know we have to keep all the unknowns in the left hand side. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Therefore, this implies 2x equal to 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9, is this correct? Okay, children, once again just check. 5 into x, 5 into x minus 5, 3 into x minus 3, 5x, 5 5s are 25, 3 into x, 3x, 3 3s are 9. Next 5x. Here we have brought 3x to the left hand side, then we have sent this minus 25 to the plus. Now therefore 5x minus 3x is what? 2x. Next 25 minus 9 is what? 16. Hence x equal to 16 by 2. Thus x is what? 8. Okay, just put in place or therefore. Thus children, in case if the equation is not in the simplest form, then we have to reduce. How to reduce? That depends upon the given form. Here both are in the simplest form. Just by doing cross multiplication we will get. Now in this problem, directly we shall multiply this. 3 into t. 3 3s are 9. How comes 9 children? You know. How comes minus? Plus into minus. Put equals. 5 2s are 10 into t. Plus into plus. Plus 5 1s are 5. The unknown is t. Hence, by keeping the unknown in the left hand side, 3t, bring this to the left. 10t becomes minus 10t. Put equals. Should come, let it in one line. 5 minus 9 becomes what? It becomes plus 9. Therefore, this implies minus 70 equal to 14. This implies t equal to 14 by minus 7 plus by minus is what? Minus. Thus, the value of t is what? Minus 2. Okay, children, look at the fifth one. So here, just it looks what a lengthy one like, but quite easy one. 15 into y, 15y, plus into minus, minus 60, minus into plus, minus 2 into y, 2y. Next what? Minus into minus, plus 2 9s are 80, 5 into y, 5y, plus into plus, plus into plus, 5 6 are 30 equal to 0. Therefore, this implies now 15y plus 5y, add like terms, it is 20y. So therefore, 20y minus 2y. Then add all positive numbers, plus 80 plus 30 minus 60, hence minus 60 plus 48 equal to 0. Understood? What is done here? Just I have added such a 15y plus 5y, 20y minus 2y. First you add all plus, all minus. Let us proceed in one more step. And then minus 60, nowhere we find minus only, here minus 60, except this. Then plus plus, add them. This implies 20y minus 2y. Like terms with opposite sign, therefore get the difference. It is 18y. Then minus plus, signs are different. Constants, get the difference. It is what? Minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, this implies 18y equal to 12. This implies y equal to 12 by 18. This further simplified as what? 6 2s are 6 3s are. Okay, children. Now just put implies here. Implies means it is nothing but therefore like that. So thus the value of y becomes what? 2 by 3. Thus children, in all 5 problems, in the beginning, that means they were not in the simplest form, and we reduced into the simplest form like this, and then finally we got the solutions. Okay children, today's assignment, x plus 7 minus x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2, m minus means it is understood. We have to introduce bracket by 2, 1 minus of this, okay, 3, then 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 equal to 4 of 8z minus 13 minus 17. Okay, children. So we will continue in the next class. Thank you.